For today's video, I want to talk about why I keep choosing sea travel over land travel. Now first, my first real land trip outside of college road trips was for my 50th birthday when I invited a group of girlfriends to go to Jamaica for my 50th birthday. We went to SIGCruiser, which was an all-inclusive resort in Montego Bay. Now this was right after, this was 2017, so in 2016 is when I did my first solo cruise. Now I did enjoy it. The resort was very nice and very relaxing, but there was a difference from traveling on a cruise ship. Now both were going to the Caribbean islands, so for both I spent time in the Caribbean islands, so it wasn't a difference of where I was going. And I consider myself a relaxation type of cruiser, so both provided good opportunities to relax. But I just felt with land travel, I just felt stuck in one location. With cruise travel, I just feel like I have more opportunity to go different places. Even though I'm not spending a lot of time there, I just feel like I have there's more of a chance to go to many more different islands, many more different locations than being in one spot on a land vacation. Also, another thing that may make a big difference for me is that I'm not really a city type person when it comes to travel. There are a lot of different cities, a lot of different locations that you can travel to that are just breathtakingly beautiful. But over buildings and shopping and eating, I just like spending time in nature. I love scenic views, I love mountains, I love oceans. So anything like that is going to attract me more than land travel. Now, and because of that, I do suspect that one of the reasons that I choose cruises over land travel is that I'm not land traveling the way I want to land travel. Maybe I don't want to go to a resort, but maybe I should trying different exploration groups where I can go to different scenic locations for land travel. For cruise ships, it's not even about the different activities that you can do on a cruise ship, because I usually travel for relaxation and enjoyment and self-care, things like that. So the ship activities really don't make a difference to me. Now, to see if that is the case, one thing that I have decided to do, so I'm going to do another land travel. I'm going to do a solo land trip. But yes, it's going to be to a Caribbean island because I already know I have comfort. That's one of my comfort zones, the Caribbean islands. But instead of, going by cruise ship and staying on the island for a couple of hours, I'm going to an island and I am going to stay there for an entire week. That way I'll be able to, see the different views and feel the culture, get involved. Just really experience the island the way I can't do on a cruise ship. So for now, yes, I choose cruise travel over land travel because of the comfort that it gives me. I'm familiar with it, but maybe, just maybe, it's only because I haven't land traveled the way that I would truly enjoy land traveling. So maybe staying at an all-inclusive resort is just not for me. But if I were to do a solo land travel trip and I am enjoying the scenes, that's different. But maybe right now I'm choosing cruises over land travel because I'm familiar with cruising. I know what to do. I know what to go. I know how to get comfortable and enjoy myself. And with land travel, I just haven't given myself the opportunity to find that yet. So maybe flying direct and spending some time in the location instead of just on a cruise ship and spending a couple of hours there. If I go and fly direct and spend time there, then I have the opportunity to explore the sites a little more, explore the land, and also experience the culture. So maybe that's what I'm missing. Maybe this Caribbean land trip is what I need to get me out of my comfort zone, because I'll have time to spend time there and see the sights, look at the lands, go around, meet people, Try different foods. I can take my time without worrying about rushing to get back to a cruise ship. And again, that's just another beauty about solo travel, period. So whether you travel by land or sea, I mean, you have the opportunity to do both, to try both, and just kind of mix it up each time to see what works for you. Because really, I can say I've been on over 40, over 45 cruises, but really only 2 land trips. So maybe I just haven't tried it enough, or tried to find the right thing that fits me. And you know, the thing is, it doesn't have to be either or. It's not like it has to be cruise ships or land travel. You can do both. I can do both. We can do both. Just mix it up. Just try different things. Because I look forward to being able to bring you solo land travel as well as the solo cruise trips. Here's to new travel experiences.